Reporting functions in Asset Manager and Service Manager. Report templates. Reporting is one of the areas where Asset Manager and Service Manager really come into their own. Their reporting functions are exceptionally powerful and put key information on the value, performance and costs of your assets and service functions at your fingertips. As Asset Manager and Service Manager can gather very detailed, granular information on your assets and service functions, and all reporting functions are user configurable to a very high degree, they give you an enormous amount of power to gather and interpret management information, much more than we can go into in these short introductions. However, to help you get started, Asset Manager and Service Manager come equipped with a number of template reports. Once you've populated your asset registry and started using Service Manager to handle your service requests, you'll be able to use these to measure their performance and costs. Let's take a look at some examples. We've set up a report which shows the costs associated with our printers. Running this report combines all the information that we need to give us a clear picture on the costs associated with all assets in the printer category, asset by asset. To generate this report, we go to the Admin Portal, Reports, My Reports, Add New Report, and select the report templates. We then find the Asset Cost Ownership Report and select it. We now change our report name, in this case just by adding printers. And select Asset Category. We then locate our printers in the asset hierarchy. We now save the changes and view the report. Here's our report. We can see at a glance how long the asset's lifespan has been, and at the bottom, the total cost of ownership for this asset. In the breakdown of information, we can see the purchase price, the energy consumption and carbon emissions, and all the consumable costs associated with this asset. We can also see the maintenance costs and when the maintenance will expire. Scrolling down, we can see all of the rest of the assets in this category. On the last page, we have a summary of the total cost of ownership of all our printers. We have an enormous choice of output formats for this information too. These give us plenty of options for exporting this information, presenting it, or analyzing and processing it further. Another key example of report templates is software license compliance. Using information they can gather automatically, Asset Manager and Service Manager can compare instances of software installed versus valid licenses, highlighting any issues of non-compliance. We generate this report using the templates in exactly the same way as before. The only difference is that this time we select the Software Compliance template. We also have options to filter our results. Here we choose to view which software is not compliant. We save the changes and again view the report. Here are all the examples of software license non-compliance in our organization. As we can see by clicking on the top software record, we can drill down into these results. We can therefore see precisely which asset is non-compliant. Drill down further and see specific information on that asset. We can now decide what action we need to take. In addition to the output functions, we also have options to share these reports with other users. Other report templates available to us include a disposals report. This can be configured to report on items disposed of within a set date range. Depreciation reports, including of high-value ICT assets. Leased assets and warranties, including which are due to expire soon. A report on assets currently under repair. And assets that have failed PAT tests. There are many more report templates than we can go into here, and once you've got your asset register populated, you'll be able to use them immediately and/or adapt them to meet your own needs and purposes. We hope you found this video useful. For more information, please visit www.cseassetmanager.co.uk. Do contact us if you want further information, and thanks for watching.